a great choice today with the 2020 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, compass, heated front seat, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, fog lights, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.